My dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 9 students. Our today's topic, Unit-1 Lesson-2 B discussions. So let's start our today's class, my dear students. So let's see to this class 9, subject English first paper, topic Unit-1 Lesson-2 B discussions, Lecture-03 SWB3, term Haveli, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's class, Unit-1 Lesson-2, the tale of homecoming. Half yearly exam, lecture 3. So let's see SW3, Unit 1, Lesson 2, exercise F. So dear students, let's read the question, the answer, the questions below 1 and 2. So read the passages and then we will answer question number 1 and 2. Bangabandhu left London for Dhaka on the 9th January evening in 1972. On the way he would stop over in Delhi, to stay somewhere. He was welcomed at Delhi's Palam airport in the morning of 10 January by President V.V. Giri, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, West Bengal politician Siddhartha Shankar Rai, and the chiefs of the Indian Armed Force. Bangabandhu stayed in Delhi for about 2 hours. During this time, he addressed a public rally and mesmerized everyone. There, he wholeheartedly thanked Mrs. Gandhi, the people and the politicians of India for the tremendous help they had provided to Bangladesh and its 10 million refugees. Then it was on to Dhaka, where millions of people had begun to crowd the route that their leader would pass, and the racecourse Maidan, where the leader would deliver a speech before going home. On the terrain at Tesgaon airport, soldiers of the Indian Army and the Mukti Bahini were on standby to present Bangladesh's president with a guard of honor. Members of the wartime cabinet waited in the winter sun, as did a horde of newsmen. Sometimes after 1:30 p.m., the Comet aircraft made available to Bangabandhu by the British government landed in Dhaka. As soon as the doors of the aircraft opened, Bangabandhu appeared. It was clear he had lost weight due to imprisonment for nearly 10 months in a Pakistani prison. A big smile appeared on his face as he swept back his hair with his right hand. Prime Minister Tajuddin Ahmed then moved forward and buried his head in his leader's chest. Both men broke down. Their tears soon led to moist eyes in nearly everyone else present around them. Once the formalities at the airport were completed, the father of the nation climbed on a board of an open truck with the Mujibnagar government figures and the students' leaders crowding around him. He headed for the racecourse. The 2 miles stretch of road would take the procession almost 3 hours to cover. At the racecourse, Bangabandhu wept, remembering the sacrifices of the Bengalis had made in the war against Pakistan. He told how the military Janata had tried to intimidate him during his trial. He asked, "I told them I am a Bengali and a Muslim who only dies once. I would walk the gallows with head held high." The father of the nation remarked, "The Bengalis had become the golden children of the golden Bengal." Quoting the poet Rabindranath Tagore, who once had complained that the people of Bengal had remained mere Bengalis but were yet to become true human beings. Mujib told the jubilant crowd that the poet had been proved wrong. "Come back, O poet," he intoned dramatically, "and see how your Bengalis are today transformed into worthy men." Moments later, as dusk and winter haze settled over Dhaka, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman made his way back to his family, who had been waiting for him at the house in Dhanmondi Road 32, where they had been kept under house arrest by the Pakistani army throughout the course of the War of Liberation. So let's go. We're moving to exercise 1. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. So what does the word stop over mean? To stop for a long time, to go through a place, to stay somewhere for a short time during journey, to get down from a plane. The stopover means to stay somewhere for a short time during journey. The word wholeheartedly means enthusiastically, indifferently, apathetically, intelligently. Answer will be enthusiastically. The word tarmac means lounge, the area in an airport, runway, airbuilt. Answer will be the area in an airport. D. As soon as the doors of the aircraft opened, Bangabandhu appeared. What does the underlined phrase mean? Very soon, as fast as thought, when. So as soon as means in this sentence, when. Number E. Both men broke down. What does this phrase verb broke down mean? Collapsed, fell, started crying, fell to the ground. So broke down means started crying. The word dramatically means quickly, lately, then excitingly. So dramatically means excitingly. The word worthy means deserving, disgraceful, disdainful, ordinary. So worthy means deserving. The word dusk means dawn, daylight, sunlight, evening. Dusk means evening. What does the word tremendous mean? Useful, famous, popular, great. So tremendous means here great. What does the word refugee mean? Misplaced person, displaced person, disturbed person, replaced person. So refugee means displaced person. What is the closest meaning of the word formality? Ceremoniousness, motivation, forgiveness, utility. So formality means ceremoniousness. During this time, he addressed a public rally and mesmerized everyone. What does the underlined word mean? Renowned, motivated, fascinated, emphasized. So mesmerized means fascinated. What is the closest meaning of the word imprisoned? Imprint, captivity, contentment, resentment. The answer will be captivity. So my students, your SW will be Lecture-03 submit on Saturday, Unit-1 Lesson-2, exercise F. So that's all for today, my dear students. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.